infected sang virus of impunity nga dala ni former President Rodrigo Duterte ang iya mga taga-suporta. Ining kabahin sang opening statement sang legal representative sang drug war victims nga si Atty. Joel Butuyan sa confirmation hearing sa ICC Pretrial Chamber 1. Ining supporter si Duterte ang gintawag ni Butuyan nga mini Dutertes kag Duterte clones. Sunod kay Butuyan, sila mismo nga mga abogado ang nakabatsa daw ginatratar sila bilang pugante sa mga Pilipino sa luwas sang pungsod nga supporters ang former president. Manginang judges sa ICC sunod kay Butuyan ang wala ginapalampuha sa online harassment sang Duterte clones. Gani nga mas dako nga kahadlok ang ginabatsag sang drug war victims.
The plague of impunity has spread not only among Filipinos in the Philippines, but even among expatriate Filipinos in faraway lands like here in The Hague. When we reported to the victims that we, their external legal representatives, feel like fugitives who avoid our own countrymen here in The Hague because chances are they are Duterte clones, they express their utmost concern that if we, their lawyers, feel threatened by mini Dutertes in a foreign country, we should imagine the far more intense fear they live with every day in their communities teeming with mini Dutertes. The victims also wish to convey that if the judges of this honorable chamber can be subjected to online harassment by Duterte clones, we should imagine the level of vulnerability the victims are exposed to in their poor villages.